Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
Yeah, can we please know your name?
My name is Dr. Mrs. Oluchukwu, known as Anyanwu.
Can you tell us what you do in order to promote African arts and spirituality?
Okay, I am a native doctor. I'm a diviner.
Wow.
I am a herbal practitioner, and otherwise, I'm into healing, other sacrifices, and the rest of it. So, and I'm also a teacher
Wow.
in the Igbo Ordinary Cultural Association and otherwise.
You have come to make us believe that traditional healing is a call
Yes.
and is what we must answer and is what we will project to the diaspora in order for the Kakochians to emulate our ways of living.
Exactly.
So,
Exactly.
and what are you going to advise? You're going to tell upcoming traditionalists
Okay.
in upholding African culture and arts?
What I would tell other upcoming traditionalists, one is that issues of traditional practices is not just a mere word, it's a calling, it's a divine calling. Those who are being loved and chosen by God. It's not something you just choose yourself, and it's something you stoop low and humble yourself in order to know what what cultural aspect means, and what we call ordinana and omenana in your own town and Igbo culture at large.